Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you're encountering a problem with an NVIDIA app and you are unable to open the application, then keep watching as this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So if you are getting this error message on the screen, then here what you need to do is just go to the search bar and type device manager. Click on this and then go to the device adapter, expand the section. As I don't have NVIDIA driver, what you have to do is just locate your NVIDIA driver, right click on it and click on update driver like I'm doing this. And then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick for this and then click on the NVIDIA driver here. If you see this, just click on it and then click on next. It will install the driver automatically. After that, just close this one and now you can try relaunching the NVIDIA app and checking to see if that's now solved the issue. If it's still not working, then next thing you will need to do is search for settings and go to the settings, and in the settings just click on apps and click on installed apps and search for NVIDIA. What you have to do is just click on the three icons and click on the uninstall. Once uninstallation is finished, then go ahead over to your Google and type NVIDIA download like this and just click on this website, as this is the official. So after that, just click on download now and it will download the NVIDIA app on your PC again. So after that, wait for it for the installation. So after reinstalling your NVIDIA app on your computer, make sure that to agree the terms and conditions, and that should automatically load up the NVIDIA app. So that's it. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.